Hello there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a PowerPoint trick in just 10 minutes. So first of all, insert a square and a circle and then adjust both of them like this. You have to expand them in their width and the length. Now merge them and change its color. And now you have to insert a picture from the document. So I have inserted this picture of wind energy, and now insert another shape, and it is a rectangle, and now we're going to move it to back, and now we are going to change this color. You can change this color to yellow, green, and there are also different shades in green, or you can change from right here. So as you can see, there are several options of colors right here. So now you have to choose a light green color. So if you want to change this color, you can also change this. Now in shape effects, you have to click on this option, and you have to increase the size of this image right here. Now go to color and change this color. Now insert another shape. So I have inserted our rectangle with round corners, and I'm going to take it to bottom, and I'm going to change its color to gray. So now I'm going to insert a text box, and I'm going to add the text in it. Well, this text is going to be the title of our slide in this video. So my title is that green power energy presentation. Yeah, green energy presentation. So I'm going to increase the size and then select it, and then I'm going to bold it right here. And I'm going to change this font to a darker one font. As you can see, there are several hundreds of fonts right here in this option, and I'm going to decrease the presentation size, and I'm going to change the background color of the slide. And in shape effects, you're going to click on this option, and yeah, so it's done. Now I'm going to give the shape, I'm going to give an effect to the text. So I'm going to give it a green and white effect. From shape effects, now you have to change the color of the this bottom square right here, and in shape effects you have to change this effect, and you can also change this color according to your preferences. Now you have to add the text in it, and as you can see, I have added all the text that I needed for the presentation in the box. And as you know, I'm going to change its color, its font, and bold it, and change its text effect. So I'm increasing the size. So I have increased the text size, and I'm going to change its color as well. So I have changed its color to yeah, gray. Again, we're gonna go in text effects, and I'm gonna change this effect. So now I'm going to open another new slide. It have to be blank, and I'm going to insert a shape in it, and this image right here, and I'm going to add the text in it. As you can see, I have added the text in it. Now, as you know, the next step is going to be that we're gonna change its color, its text effect, its shape, and bold it, and its font. As you all know, in PowerPoint, there are several colors, there are several fonts, there are hundreds of colors that you can choose according to your preferences. So right here, I have chosen um, green color for the shape fill, and I'm going to insert another square. I mean a rectangle right below the text, and now I'm going to insert another shape. And this is a rectangle with round corners. And I'm going to paste it 3 times, and then I'm going to decrease its width. And like that, I'm going to add text in the three squares. I mean rectangle, and I'm going to change their color and place them side by side. And then in shape effects, I'm going to change their effect. Now I'm changing their gradient color. All you have to do is follow my instructions to make a PowerPoint presentation, which will be interesting and mesmerizing. So from the right, so now I'm going to add another rectangle, and I'm gonna give it some shape effect, and I'm going to decrease its size like this, and I'm going to change its color to gray. And now I'm going to place these triangles side by side and then change their color to make a unique shape. It's going to be a unique pattern. I'm going to paste them. So now in the next slide, I'm going to insert another rectangle right in the bottom. And now I'm going to uh, decrease and increase its size and its shape pattern like this. Right here, I have made a zigzag pattern around zigzag pattern, and I'm going to insert the image in it right here like this. The next part is that you're going to paste the same shape that you made in the previous slide right here, and then you're going to increase its size, length, and width. And I'm going to insert the same gray box right here, and I'm going to insert another text box in it, and I'm going to add the text in it. Yeah, so this is it. And now I'm going to increase the text size and change its color and give it a text effect as I have done in the previous slide. Now again insert another rectangle with round corners and arrows on its top side, and I'm going to merge them, and I'm going to paste them 3 times, and I'm going to change their color. So the side rectangles have to be different color, and the middle one rectangle have to be of different color. And I'm also going to give them shape effects, as you can see. So I have made a fast mode so that the video can be quick. As if I hadn't done it, it was going to be really slow and long. So now I'm going to paste the text right here in the fourth slide, and I'm going to paste the same shape right here, and I'm going to duplicate the same slide, and then I'm going to change the text and add some I'm going to make some changes right here. I'm also going to give animations. In the first slide, I'm going to give animation like this, and I'm also going to set the time for the in and the out of the animation. Perfect. So I have given the animation to the first slide. So this is the time for the second slide, uh, and now the third slide, and fourth, fifth, and sixth. respectively. I have given animations to all of the slides. And so this is the last slide of the thank you slide. So this was the final result, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video and also hit the bell icon.